Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we've got a gold mine for you. 15 incredible free dataset resources for your next project. Whether you're a data scientist, a machine learning enthusiast, or just someone who loves digging into data, you're in for a treat. So grab your notebooks and let's dive in. On number 1, kicking off our list is the mighty Google Dataset Search. It's like a search engine specifically designed for datasets. It is a search engine across metadata for millions of datasets in thousands of repositories across the web. Just like any other search engine, it provides you with datasets wherever they are hosted, whether it's a publisher's site, a digital library, or an author's personal web page. You can find datasets on a wide range of topics, making it an excellent starting point for your projects. Number 2 on our list, native Python dataset. If you're a Python aficionado, you'll love the native Python dataset. It refers to datasets that are directly accessible within the Python programming language without requiring external libraries. These datasets are often bundled with Python packages or modules, enabling seamless integration for data analysis and manipulation within Python scripts and applications. This collection provides datasets directly accessible through Python, making it super convenient for those who want to integrate data seamlessly into their Python projects. This is an amazing resource for your next Python projects. On number 3, we have Kaggle. Kaggle, a heaven for data scientists. Not only does Kaggle host competitions and kernels, but it also offers a plethora of datasets for you to explore and use in your projects. Kaggle datasets allows you to publish and share datasets privately or publicly. They provide resources for storing and processing datasets, but there are certain technical specifications. 100 gigabytes per dataset limit. Plus, you can tap into the vibrant Kaggle community for insights and collaboration in case you need any help. And to be honest, this is the most intriguing part for me, the community. Because sometimes you get stuck and there's no solution whatsoever. Then you go to the community, the lifesaver. Next up, on number 4, we have datahub.io. This platform hosts a variety of datasets ranging from social sciences to climate data. DataHub is an extensible metadata platform that enables data discovery, data observability, and federated governance to help tame the complexity of your data ecosystem. But I personally think the plus point about datahub.io is that it's user-friendly and offers an easy way to access and share datasets. Number 5, we've got data.gov. For those based in the United States, data.gov is a treasure trove of government datasets. Data.gov is the central clearinghouse for open data from United States federal government and also provides access to many local governments and non-federal open data resources. It covers a wide array of topics from health and education to transportation and more. It is indeed an excellent effort by the US government. On number 6, we have UCI Machine Learning Repository. If you're into machine learning, you've likely heard of the UCI MLR, a collection of databases, domain theories, and data generators used by the machine learning community to empirically analyze machine learning algorithms. It has been widely used by students, educators, and researchers worldwide as a primary source of machine learning datasets. It's a classic resource with a vast collection of datasets specifically for machine learning research and experimentation. If you're into machine learning, this is going to be a very good resource for you. Here on number 7, we have Earth Data, calling all Earth enthusiasts. NASA's Earth Data provides datasets related to our beautiful planet. As its name suggests, Earth Data is the home for full and open access to NASA's Earth science data collections, accelerating scientific advancement for societal benefit. Whether you're interested in climate, land cover, or atmospheric conditions, you'll find something fascinating here. It is the best resource for you if you're into geographical analysis. Next on number 8, we have Gapminder. Hans Rosling's Gapminder is not just about datasets. It's about telling compelling stories through data. Gapminder combines data from multiple sources into unique, coherent time series, explore datasets related to global development, and dive into the interactive tools that help you visualize trends over time. This one is one of the classics. It has been there since 2005. It is an amazing resource if you're working on predictability of trends. Number 9, CERN Open Data Portal. If you're a fan of particle physics, the CERN Open Data Portal is a must visit. The CERN Open Data Portal is the access point to a growing range of data produced through the research performed at CERN. It disseminates the preserved output from various research activities and includes accompanying software and documentation needed to understand and analyze the data. It offers datasets from experiments conducted at the Large Hadron Collider, allowing you to explore the frontier of particle physics. I would suggest, if you are a fan of physics, this one is for you. On number 10, we have PFI Film Industry Statistics. This resource is more leaned towards the film buffs. Rejoice! PFI Film Industry Statistics is a valuable data resource offering detailed insights into the UK film industry. It provides comprehensive information on aspects such as film production, box office figures, audience demographics, distribution, employment, and international collaborations. Researchers, policymakers, and industry professionals can leverage this dataset for industry analysis, policy development, informed decision-making, academic research, and fostering transparency in the film sector. This one is perfect for those interested in the intersection of data and cinema. On number 11, we have 538. 538 is an amazing dataset platform which appreciates data-driven journalism. Its GitHub repository is a goldmine. 538 is a data journalism website that focuses on analyzing and interpreting data to provide insights into various topics, including politics, sports, economics, and culture. The datasets found on 538 covers a range of subjects, offering valuable information for those interested in exploring and understanding data trends in different fields. Researchers and analysts can leverage 538 as a dataset resource platform. And you know what? 538 is just like a data-centric lens. It helps the researchers to foster a greater understanding of complex issues through data. The next one on the list is a very commonly used coding platform, but it is not just a coding platform. GitHub is not just for code. It's also a fantastic resource for datasets. The platform's widespread use also facilitates the creation of a diverse and dynamic dataset ecosystem, offering a rich array of resources across different domains. Explore repositories dedicated solely to datasets, and you might stumble upon a gem for your next project. Indeed, GitHub is full of treasure if you just know how to hunt it. On number 13, we have data.nasa. As the name suggests, it's about space. Space enthusiasts, this one's for you. NASA provides datasets covering various aspects of space exploration, from astronomy to satellite imagery. NASA's Earth Observing System Data and Information System is a prominent example, offering a wealth of Earth science datasets. These datasets serve as valuable resources for researchers, scientists, educators, and general public. Get ready to embark on a cosmic data journey. Next up, on number 14, we have Data.World. Data.World is a platform that functions as a collaborative and centralized hub for a wide range of datasets. Serving as a dataset resource platform, Data.World facilitates the sharing and discovery of datasets across diverse domains. Users can access and contribute to datasets, fostering collaboration among researchers, analysts, and broader data community. The platform hosts datasets on various topics, encouraging users to explore, analyze, and derive insights. Data.World supports transparency and openness, making data available for individuals in research, business, and academia. Data.World plays a vital role in promoting collaboration, innovation, and data-driven decision-making. On number 15, we have data.gov.uk. Last but not least, for our friends in UK, data.gov.uk is your go-to resource for government datasets. It provides a centralized location for the public to access and download government data. The datasets cover topics such as economy, health, education, transportation, and more. Users can leverage these datasets for research, analysis, and the development of applications. contributing to informed decision making and fostering innovation. If you're in the UK, this one is for you. And there you have it, 15 free dataset resources to supercharge your next project. Whether you're into machine learning, data visualization, or just curious about the world around you, these resources have got you covered. I hope this video was helpful. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.